Get off those dancing shoes and get into those moving feet. It's not that close, so you criticize your mind. Let go. Have a look at your fear. And don't you know when you are excited, you shake. You start to get outside of your mind. It's true, I don't know a goddamn thing, except we're all divine. Let go of your mind. 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 Sing it with me, y'all. Let go of your mind. 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 Healing. Music is great. Music is everything feeling. Music isn't shame. Music is inside your body. You are music. Music is just a reflection to get you speaking infinite. At the end of the day, when you start to feel high, just don't look away, and you will fly. you go, let you go, let you go of your mind, 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 let you go of your mind. I don't mind, I'm letting you go, 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 I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I'm letting you go, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I'm letting you go, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you go, I don't mind, I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you, I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. I'm letting you, I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go, I don't mind. Just let it go. That's when you know the things that you want to see and feel and believe and deep and focus on nothing but the false self until it's gone. Just feel free. You won't have to be wrong. Just be me. You can be me because I can be you. Because there is no difference between what we need to do. If you feel the connection, if you feel this divine creation of love will help you feel alive. And suddenly you notice that everything you ever wanted doesn't have to be so hard now, does it? It doesn't have to be so hard now, don't you know? I'm letting you go. Yeah, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm letting you go. Don't you know? I'm letting you. 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 I'm back to this. 10 minutes, feel free. And Sylvia Nakash says, first feel free. That pursuit, getting to that place, is not a place that you just go to forever. It's something you get to through waves and peaks and valleys. But when you find that sense of freedom, the more you find it, the more you can access it faster. So let this be a way just to tune in and feel that sense of freedom and trust, and then go do whatever you feel called to do.